And today we're going to learn how to make creme brulee. Now, as you can see here, they turned out beautifully. Now we're not even done yet. We still have a little whiles to go. If you notice, it's really hot. If I shake it, you see how they jiggle? You see that? It's because the custard hasn't set yet, so we need to put these into the refrigerator for about 3 hours. Actually, a lot of people say it's best to actually put these in the refrigerator overnight, but you can definitely in 3 or 4 hours. It will definitely set, and then you can definitely eat it. So it just depends. If you have dinner company coming over tomorrow night for dinner, make it tonight and let it set overnight. If you have company coming tonight and you want to make it, start early on this. Put in the oven for put in the refrigerator rather for about 3 to 4 hours and let the custard set. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to put this in for about 3 hours, and we'll see you on the next step.